Hi friends, this is Karthik Bandani from CS department, third year. So today my experiment number 2 is to design a website using HTML. So we have to use all these tags to design a website, and we have 2 pages in this. So the aim of this experiment is to design 2 pages, and the first page contains the header and the content section in which we will write the name, and thereafter we have to write the name in the middle and align it in the center. Then we have to write a dummy text, and apart from this, below an audio option should be there and a video option should be there. So then along with the footer down, we have to redirect to a different page. We have to show a Google map, and in the second page it's a resume page, so we have to show a resume there. So as you can see, this is the first company name, then this is the me text, then this is a video, then this is the audio. Register here using legend, contact us, and the Google Maps. So this is the second page, submit your resume. In this we have this particular details, so we will design this using table. So here is what I have designed. So this is a particular garments advertisement page which I have made. So in this I'll show you. So this is the code of the page. So this is the text which I've aligned in the center, Madnani garments. So you can see it is aligned in the center. Then this is using tables. I have created sections. So in the first table, like I have link 1, link 2, link 3, Google search. So here using tables, so this is table row, then this is TD, that it will display a bit, it will not be highlighted. So this is for rows. So you can see link 1, this is link 1, so link 1, and then few spaces, these all are used for spaces, and then link 2. So now I will add this link. When I click to link 2, this will direct me to a different page. So we'll come to that different page later. First of all, link 2 and then link 3 using column, then the closing tag of the table row and the closing tag of the table. So this is how we design the first section. Now the personal, the page. Yeah. Now using unordered list, I have written the dummy text. Here is a dummy text which I have written. This is a dummy text which I have written. So using list and ordered list and unordered list, I have written the dummy text. Now as you can see, I have placed a audio control and a video control. So this is the audio control. So when I press here, the audio will be played. So this is the particular audio played, and this video will be played when I play this. So this is the video being played when I press this. So now using audio controls and video controls, we can do this. Like this is the audio control and this is the source where I have the MP3 file. So now using video control, we can play the video, and this is the source where I have the MP4 file. Using table, I have designed this. Now the later part of this page, you can see the downer, we have contact us, register, and Google Maps. Yeah. So the register part, we use legend tag. Now the legend tag's purpose is to create a box like this. So we use legend tag to create register, and then for the contact, we use paragraph in table. So this is how we create the first page of our experiment. Now I want to create the second page. So when I click in link 2, I will be directed to second page through anchor tag, which I have shown you before. Through anchor tag will be directed to the second page. Here it is. So using anchor tag, I will be directed to the resume page. Now in this resume page, I have used the title resume and the head submit your resume, then the label. Now first I will write input type text name. So input type text, so if it is a number you can write number, if it is an address you can write an address. So depending upon the type you write here what the type is. Now name. Now placeholder. So placeholder work is to tell you what you should write here. So like in the page, as you can see, we have to write our first name here. So it is written in the placeholder, enter your first name. So same for the middle name, text is a type and enter your middle name. And same for the last. Date of birth, as you can see, it is a type of date, so we will write here. So the date will be displayed and we can alter the dates. So using the type, date, that will come. And as in age in years, this is number, and placeholder I have written 18, greater than 18. So it will be greater than 18, and this number, so this will automatically come. So on the type basis we can fill the text fields. Using field set I have done this, and the field set is closed. Now as you can see, below this is a meter. So this is a static meter. So for a dynamic meter we need JavaScript, so we were not instruct to use JavaScript. So this is a static meter which I have made. So in this static meter we will use meter tag. We will give the value 20, the maximum value and the minimum value, and head, and specify the width and height. So using meter tag we did this. Then in the later part you can see address, which is same. So the address you will same here, text area, row force, so same as I told you above. Then the city is type text, so we will write the name. Now to select the city, here you can see this state. When I click here, I have many options: Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra, Kerala, Jharkhand. So how do we do that? Yeah, we use select tag and write all the options here, and then close the select tag. So using select tags, when you select here, you have multiple options. So now using select tag we can do this. Now zip code. Now in this zip code type is number. So same zip code you can write numbers. So this, when you will type specify a type number, this will come. So the zip code is done. Then the field set is tag is closed. Again the meter. So we can design this with meter. So minimum value, the maximum value, minimum value, maximum value, and the value which I have given. Then in the later part of this website you can see I have written contact information. So this contact information is same like placeholder. The initial type, this is a hint which I can write, and the type is number. So same type is number, here also type is number, email is text. So same as above we can do using the input type and then the placeholder if you want to place some dummy text. Okay, so this is done using meter tag. Now the education details. So we are using table here. As you can see, we have used table here. So table row, then qualification in one column, board university in one column, country in one column, starting year in one column. So TH defined as T highlight, so this will come highlighted, more darkened. So these 4 columns are created and the row is closed, then the closing tag. Now checkbox is given. Now using type checkbox will be given and we can assign the value. So in the same we can, as I told you, using select tag we can give options, choose whatever you want, India, Italy, Spain and Brazil, and then again using the meter tag we can specify the maximum value and the minimum value. Same for all the options, like all the checkboxes which I have given, we have to give all these options. Now the meter tag. So now the field set, using field set I will give the option to attach the resume and submit it. So input type is submit and the name is value. So we can choose the file. So particular right now it won't work because we need this different logic for this PHP to connect. So the simple website using HTML5 is made. So this was my experiment, making a website, the resume page and the company name page which defines the company. So this is the company page which I have made, and when I click on link 2 you can enter a resume, type your details, use qualifications, so you can submit in the end. So this was my experiment and I've completed it, so thank you.